I bought an Archer's Allen wrench from Pine Ridge Archery. It's a hex Allen wrench. It's different sizes, 0.050, 1/16, 5/64, 3/32, 7/64, 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, and 3/16. It's made in the United States. 8650 industrial strength chrome, vanadium. It has a lifetime warranty, not to strip or round the corners. The normal size one, and then there's an extra large if you have a bow that requires something bigger. The nice thing about this is that it works not only for your compound bow, but also for like smaller parts. If you have a thumb release or a finger release, this will fit most of them so that you can adjust it.